My name is Nikki Buxton, along with my partner Jerry Larder. We started this. In 2004, we got our first two babies. They arrived in a bucket, two screaming babies in a little bucket. I promptly burst into tears, didn't know what to do with these guys, and we raised them, and they eventually became free-flying birds. And the facility has just grown from there, of its own making. We have now several large enclosures. We've got 48 birds in right now. We've been releasing for the last 8 years in this location. Most of our birds are actually red lords and white-fronted parrots. They mostly come through the forestry department or voluntary surrenders. They're all in a shocking condition. I've very rarely had decent-looking birds here. Most of them have terribly bad clipped wings, which means that we automatically have to keep them for at least a year before they have full flight capabilities and strong muscle tone. All in all, that is our mission, is to get as many of the ex-caged birds back out into the wild where they belong, making babies for Belize. This was a result of the fundraiser we had in May at the High Commission. We raised $6,000, which covered the materials, and then an organisation called Trek Force, who are a group of volunteers that come over from the UK on a gap year, came and they wanted a small task for 5 days, and the only thing I really needed was this. So I said, how about a large task, and can you stay for 2 weeks? And bless them, they did, and they got this up literally the day they were leaving. We threw the birds in and they saw the yellowheads flying up, which was just a wonderful thing. Brought tears to the eyes, because these guys have not been able to fly ever in their lives, and now they have all this space. It's incredible. Up until last year, we were totally privately funded. My husband works outside of the country and brings the money in to do that. And we've opened a small hotel in town, which has 6 rooms that we say 50% of the funds go directly towards the birds, but in actual fact it's probably nearer 90. He's definitely my companion now. He spends an awful lot of time with me. And he spends a lot of time out in the trees as well. He's fully flighted, he's free to leave whenever he likes, and he chooses to stay. I've always advocated, when people say they have a pet parrot, I always say, can you pick your bird up? Chances are they say, oh no, he bites. And to me that's not a pet, that's a wild bird in a cage that needs to go back to the wild.